Hello and welcome to the YouTube channel dedicated to the rqti package. With this package you can create tests based on the QTI 2.1 standard. Detailed documentation for this package can be found in the links provided below this video. Today, in this tutorial, I will demonstrate how to install the rqti package in Rstudio and how you can use templates available in our rqti package to create single choice and multiple choice questions. The first step, of course, is the installation of the package. For this, you can use install.packages and fill in rqti to run the command. This might take a while. Once it's done, you have to go to Session and restart R. For quick task creation, you can use templates. To create a working directory with templates, follow these steps. Navigate to File, New Project, New Directory, and at the bottom of the list, rqti project. You have to specify a name, and please leave the parameters untouched for now. We will attend to them in another video. After you click Create Project, the session will restart. Let's create a single choice task. For this, you go to the folder Single Choice and choose the task. This template contains of three sections: the YAML section, the question section, and the feedback section. In the YAML section, the type of task is specified, here SC for single choice, and rqti render qti.js means that you can preview the task in the viewer section. I will attend to this in a minute. Next up is the question section. Here you can post the task and you have to specify multiple different answers. By default, the first answer will be interpreted as the correct one. However, if you want to change this, you can put it into asterisks and this answer will be highlighted as correct. In the feedback section, you can specify what will be displayed once the user submitted their answer. Usually, this could be the correct solution to the task. If you don't want to display anything, you can just leave it empty. Now let's look at the task we have created. To do this, on the control panel, you click on Knit, and the task will be shown in the viewer. We can now choose one of the answers and submit it. And here we will get the feedback and the score of 0 because we chose the wrong answer. Now let's see how we can create a multiple choice task using a template. For this, we go to our working directory and this time use multiple choice. As you can see, the structure of the RMD file is very similar to the one we looked at before. But there are some changes. In the YAML section, MPC is specified as type, which marks multiple choice. In the question section, there have to be multiple answers highlighted as correct. This is done by asterisks. The feedback section basically stays the same. When we knit the task, now we can highlight multiple answers as correct. Submitting now gives us a score of 1. We did it correctly. Today in our tutorial, we have considered how to install the rqti library in Rstudio and how to quickly and easily create a question or task using a template. If you have any questions, please post them in the comment section. We will be happy to answer them. In the next video, I will tell you how to create gap type tasks and what possibilities our rqti library offers for this. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and see you soon.